So I got those, just got those lights from Amazon. This is the remote for it. This is the remote for the LED light that goes behind the TV. I think this was like a 6 foot, and you can see I have it here, and I have it going up on the side. I'm going up at the top and back down on the side here. It's connected to the USB right behind the TV. So whenever the TV comes on, it also comes on itself. You have different stuff. You can program different strobe, fade, smooth, flash. I really like fade. I rather have fade in there. Sometimes it just feels like it follows the color that's on the screen of whatever movie you're watching. Or if you want, you can go through. You can see right now it's red, green, blue. You can go white, and we can flash it, so you can see it going through different colors, flashing. So that's a pretty good one. I don't like this one because it's too fast. They look like Christmas lights. And we can go this way, which is strobe. So it's almost like flashing. And this is my favorite fade. Nice and slow and change to different colors and stuff. Box it came in. There's extra pad here so you can get more to add more if you want to add more lights to it. Different ways of doing it. You can go all around, but if you put none at the bottom, which you don't really need, I rather go like this, so I went like this instead. This can fit anywhere between a 40 to a 60-inch television. My TV right now it's a 65-inch. So this is how it looks right now in dark, and you can see right now it's on fade right now, so it's going through the different colors. It's changing nice and slow, and we can also change it with the remote. So you can see how it hits on the wall and it just threw that color out. I don't know if the video does justice to it, but this is what it really looked like. I will leave the link in the description. I'll leave the link for you guys down below. Check it out. I think this costs about $14 for the 6-foot lens. There might be longer ones, but this worked perfect for me. Like I said, this is a 65-inch Vizio TV, and you can see it really brings out the color really nice. You can see the top is a lot brighter because that's where I brought it all the way up to the top. If you want it to be a little less vibrant at the top, you can bring it lower down, but for me that works. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'm out.